Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's. 2020 Ram 2500 Laramie with the night edition. Got painted bumpers, painted grille, 6.4 gas Hemi, a little over 400 horsepower. Has the off-road package on it, so you pick up the Bilstein shocks. Has RamBoxes. Does have a spray-in Bedliner in it with the utilities, so it's adjustable. Got the bed divider, it comes with it. Here in the back, of course, it has a backup camera. Hitch is already on it, already wired. Got rear radar. It's in a granite gray. This is a good looking truck. Got a rear bed step. It's down below. You push down with your foot. It's out. Easy to get back up inside. Looking at the RamBoxes. Of course, they're illuminated inside. Got great storage. 115 volt charge. Looking at the second row, of course, they're leather. Got in-floor storage, which makes it nice. So you get storage containers with it. This truck's got rear window defroster, power sliding rear window, USB ports on the back. That's the floor mounts and stuff in the bag. Got in-floor storage, flat load floor. This flips out. It's a super nice truck. Got trailer tow mirrors on it. So we've got convex mirrors on the outside. Also got blind spot monitoring, cross path detection. So power mirrors are adjustable here. They also fold in case you get in close. Programmable seats. Automatic headlights. Fog lights, of course. Power driver seat. They're leather. They're perforated, so they're heated and they're cooled. It's a great truck. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you. So looking at the radio, it has AM, FM, satellite radio on it, of course. Climate controls. Has heated seats and ventilated seats. There's the backup camera. Here's the beauty of it. That's the wide view right now. There's the up close view, so you can see the actual bumper. So if I was going to hook up a trailer, it'd be easy and simple for me. Nice and clear. All the apps. Look down below, there's some heated seat and steering wheel controls. Temperature controls. Trailer brakes already on. It's got auxiliary switches if you want to add lights or accessories to it. Front radar, rear, traction control. Four-wheel drive, of course, downhill descent. That's the cruise control buttons. Bluetooth for the phone. This truck's got 30 miles on it. It is brand new. Call me on this one.